My name is Taina Hassan, and today we are going to cover HTML Hypertext Markup Language. So, in my today tutorial, we are going to explain and also trying to make it very easy for you to understand. So, if you are going to start as a beginner or you have no knowledge about coding, then this video is for you because this is the best website to learn programming languages. So let's start with the hypertext markup language. This language is uh, mostly used to create web pages, or it is also called the basic language for web development purpose. So in today's world, many platforms or many softwares are already available in the market, which will resolve the issue of writing down the HTML code. Rather than you can simply drag and drop elements and the HTML code will be automatically generated. But if you are going to make any change, then you must have some basic knowledge about this language so that you can make custom changes according to your own requirement or according to your client requirement. So let's start with it. So first of all, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. This is this language is used for creating web pages. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It consists of multiple series of elements, and we will cover these elements on the later stage. HTML element tell the browser how to display the content, like the heading and paragraph, link, list, sorted list or unsorted list. So all the elements which you are seeing on this website, like this text HTML and the color around it. The colors and the other things come from CSS, but the HTML is used to show the elements on the web page. So let's start with it. So first of all, you have to define the doc type HTML tag. It will tell you that what is the type of the document. So it is the HTML document. Okay. The best thing about this website is that you can practice your code on the same website. You don't need to install any server or anything. So after that, here is the head tag, then the body tag, and then the HTML tag closing. Every tag you will start, you have to close it with slash sign backslash. So here is also the explanation here. Document type, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, H1 tag. H1 is the heading tag. These are the H1 is the biggest heading, H2, H3, H4, H5. Um, the size of the heading decreases as well as we proceed with the other heading tags. So what is an HTML element? HTML element is defined by the start tag, same content and end tag. So the tag name, content, any content that you want to place here, then the tag name closing. It's just an example. Like this is a tag name h1 heading 1. So here will be the content. So the next example is paragraph tag. Here is also the closing of paragraph tag. So you have to go through the different tags. So this is the result that you will see in the browser when you will run this program. This is also another structure example about the HTML structure of the page, the head section, the body section, and this is the total HTML section. So let's talk about the HTML editors. So the best HTML editors are Notepad. Every computer has it already. And text edit, Notepad plus plus. So here you can see that if you are working through Windows, then you can go through the start, programs,